Hi everyone, myself Sagar Arora, and this is the project that is the placement cell that I have created using node.js, MongoDB and Express. So this is basically helpful for companies like Coding Ninjas and Coding Blocks for maintaining the records of students during placement. So let me first demonstrate the project. So I have already deployed the project on Render, and this is my GitHub repository, and this is where I render the project, and this is MongoDB Atlas where I have basically put my database on the cloud. So first of all you have sign in, and if you have not already registered, then you have to first register. So let me first register. So here name, let me name it at ABC, and password as abc@gmail.com, and password is 111, sorry, that is email 111. Let me sign up. So I have signed up. So now before entering, you will again, basically this application is again asking for to sign in with the password that you have created and the email with which you have registered. So let me first show you on the data cloud that if I refresh, then a new basically user means an employee of the company, which which has the ability to basically add students and allocate interviews. So as you can see, now I have added ABC with an email ID this. So a new user has been added to the database, which is a cloud database, that is Mongo Atlas. So here, as you can see, two students I have already basically added to my account. Let me show you how to add one more new students. So for that you have to say batch. Let the student is from Jan 2023 batch, and his name is Akash. His name is Akash, and his email ID is Akash. Akash Deep. Let me take at the gmail.com. That is mobile number is 222222, and he is from VIT VIT college. And let keeps his placement status till now not placed, and his DSS score let it be 98, PUBG score let it be 96, and React score let it be 92. And let me create a new student. So as you can see, if I refresh the Mongo Atlas and if I go to students, so recently I have created a students Akash with an email ID Akashdeep. So let me show you on Mongo Atlas. So as you can see, I have created a new students Akash with an email ID akashdeep@gmail.com. And let me, so this is done, and here we can delete the students. And as an employee of the company, I have to basically allocate an interview between the students and the company. So let's allocate the basically students. So allocate interview. Now I want to allocate Akash. So here I have this list of students. So let me allocate company Akash, and in company Accenture. And the date of the interview would be, let's keep it 31, and let's schedule the interview. So as you can see, in the company list we have an Accenture student who have applied, that basically that is Akash, and this is his detail, and recently status is pending. And if the students get selected, we will update there. And if I refresh, as you can see, so here is the companies. So an Accenture company is also getting added. So in the companies, so these are the earlier basically I have created. Accenture has created, and the list of students that have, since only one student is getting added, that is whose student ID is this, is getting basically applied for, here in this company. And the list of students, that is Akash, is also there. Yeah, Akash is there. And as you can see, in the Akash, in the interview list we have an object, that is he has applied for Accenture on date this, he has an interview, and his result is now pending. And if I make it selected and update, then as you can see, if I refresh here on the Mongo Atlas, then you can see in the students we have Akash and his status should be now get updated. So we are making it so that we are correctly applying our CRUD operations. So as you can see, it is now getting selected. So all CRUD operations are working correctly, and basically we can download the report from here. So .csv file is getting downloaded. So let me show you it too as well. So here as you can see we have three students. Earlier occasion Imanshu I have created, and Akesh has selected in Google and his Amazon result is pending. My Google Imanshu has applied for Microsoft and his result is pending, and Akash has applied for Accenture. Initially his result is pending, but now he's getting selected. I have updated it and here it is getting selected. So here I get a Excel file as well, and then I will get and I will basically sign out from here. Yeah, I will get sign out from here. So now let me show my code. So here so these are the controllers. As you can see, first of all these are the configure files, these mongoose.js, and here this is the link of the Mongo atlas that I have basically created and connected with this. This is very simple, as you know. And this is the controllers. First of all let me show the these are the models, basically the schemas of the students, of the company schema, students and user schema. Report for the .csv file, data.csv. These are the routes. As you can see, company routes initially from the index. These are the use this routes, use that routes. Those are very simple things. Use routes that I have already told you. Models, controllers where we have defined what we have to do if we get route corresponding to a route. This is the views where the .egs is the template engine that I have used in this project, and this is the environment .env file, and this is the basically main index.js file where the from where the application gets started. So that's all about the project. I hope you like the project. Thank you so much.